Have you ever stumbled upon a chat room that changed everything? Welcome to Chatroom 98, a digital realm where reality blurs. Users enter, drawn by whispers of secrets and forbidden knowledge. But soon they realize they're not alone. Messages appear chilling and cryptic, warning them to leave. Panic sets in as users begin to disappear one by one. Desperation fuels their fight to escape the chat room's grasp. They must uncover the truth behind Chatroom 98. The clock ticks down, and time is running out. Will they break free, or become part of the legend? The choice is theirs, but the consequences are real. Welcome to the nightmare of Chatroom 98.